Looking to transform your backyard without spending a fortune? Upcycled projects are the perfect way to add character, charm, and creativity to your outdoor space, all while reusing what you already have. But once you have chosen your favorite style, rustic, boho, modern, or whimsical, the key is placement. Where you put each piece matters more than you might think. A small item in a big open area might go unnoticed, while something too large can overwhelm the space. Aim for balance, where every element feels like it belongs, blending naturally into the landscape. Think of your garden as a story. Every piece you add, an old ladder turned into a plant shelf, a vintage chair with flower pots, an old tire as a planter, or a painted tire swing, should help tell that story in a consistent style. Not everything needs to be in the spotlight. Some of the best moments come from surprise, like spotting a quirky sculpture picking out from behind a bush or a colorful tin can planter hidden along a path. These little discoveries keep the space exciting. If you have got a boring fence or an awkward corner, turn it into a focal point. Try a vertical garden from old crates, a hanging display made of kitchen tools, or a mural painted on leftover wood panels. Suddenly, that dead space becomes a highlight. And don't be afraid to get playful. You have multiple options to use in your garden. Using metal or wooden sculptures is a very perfect way to decorate your garden. You can also use terracotta pots to create sculptures. You can use old boots, broken furniture, teapots, or even rusty tools. These unusual choices bring humor, charm, and personality into your backyard. And they always start conversations. The best part, it's all about you. When you decorate with love and creativity, even the simplest upcycled piece becomes meaningful. So, take your time, follow your instincts, and enjoy the process. upcycle garden decor, you are in the right place. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a new idea. Like this video and share it with your creative friends. And let us know in the comments what's your favorite upcycle project and what would you love to see next. See you in some other video. Until then, take care.